All right, let's just dive right into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're tackling a piece of tech you literally interact with every single day, your front door lock. Choosing a smart lock isn't just about picking out some cool, flashy gadget. It is absolutely crucial to the security and accessibility of your home. So today we're putting two of the absolute heavyweights in the industry head-to-head, Schlage and August. We're going to break this matchup down across 5 real-world categories, completely free of any marketing fluff, to help you find the absolute perfect lock for your specific front door.
Now, before we even look at the features, there is a fundamental philosophical difference between these two locks that you really need to understand. Schlage is what we call a full replacement lock. You literally rip out your old deadbolt completely and install their brand new comprehensive system. August, on the other hand, well, that's a retrofit design. It clamps right onto the inside thumb turn of your existing deadbolt, meaning the outside of your door stays entirely unchanged. Keep that core difference in mind because it kind of impacts everything we're about to talk about.
So here's our fight card for today. We'll be looking at design and build quality, setup and app experience, performance and reliability, smart home compatibility, value for money, and then we'll wrap it all up with our final verdict.
All right, round 1, design and build quality. So let's look at the physical hardware here, and specifically how these devices actually alter the curb appeal and the physical security of your home. Schlage's styling comes from a company with a literal 100-year heritage of making locks, and it shows. The exterior keypad is solid metal, it's heavily weather-sealed, and it just looks like a highly premium traditional deadbolt. Plus, you get real physical keys as a backup. August is a totally different story. From the outside, no one's even going to know you have a smart lock, because again, you kept your existing hardware. But on the inside, the August device is this lighter plastic and metal hybrid. It looks like a modern tech gadget. But here is the kicker. If your existing deadbolt is one of those cheap builder-grade locks that you can practically open with a stiff breeze, well, the August system is only going to be as strong as that weak link.
So the crucial takeaway here is this. Schlage feels permanent. August is clever. And because of that bomb-proof construction that feels like a serious, unyielding security device first and a smart gadget second, Schlage absolutely takes the win for round 1.
Moving right along to round 2, setup and app experience.
Because let's be honest, amazing build quality means absolutely nothing if the lock makes you want to pull your hair out while trying to install it, right? And this is exactly where August flexes its muscles. The physical installation is remarkably fast. It's essentially just a 3-step process. You take off your interior thumb turn, attach the August adapter and mount, and then you just calibrate it in the app so it knows which way is locked and unlocked. That is literally it. Takes maybe 15 to 20 minutes tops for most people. No rekeying, no aligning complicated bolts, and you get to keep the exact same keys you already have in your pocket. Now contrast that heavily with Schlage. This is a full hardware replacement. You are completely gutting the old lock. And if your door isn't prepped to standard dimensions, well, you might actually have to pull out a drill, which is always a kind of terrifying prospect for a random Tuesday afternoon DIY project. Then you've got to install both the exterior and interior assemblies, and make sure that bolt mechanism aligns perfectly. It's really a 30 to 45-minute job that definitely demands a bit more DIY confidence.
Now, on the digital side of things, August started out as a tech startup, and it completely shows. Their app is clean, simple, and incredibly user-friendly. Like it's super easy to text temporary access to guests. Schlage's app, on the other hand, is a lot more utilitarian. It works for sure, but it feels like it was designed by a hardware company. But Schlage does have one massive advantage. Models like the Encode Plus have built-in Wi-Fi. August actually requires you to buy a separate Wi-Fi bridge or hub to plug into a nearby wall. But even despite that Wi-Fi advantage, August takes round 2. The dramatically easier installation and that superior everyday app experience make it the clear winner here.
Okay, round 3, performance and reliability.
We really need to focus on what happens when you're actually using this lock in the real world. Picture this. You're standing at your front door, it's freezing cold outside, and your arms are loaded up with heavy groceries. 2 seconds. That is exactly how fast the Schlage motor turns that deadbolt, and it does it with absolute authority. You hear it chunk into place and you feel it. It locks and unlocks consistently in under 2 seconds. Combine that with a really practical backlit keypad, which by the way works perfectly fine with winter gloves on and holds up to 100 unique access codes. Schlage just gives you this incredibly fast, practical entry experience every single time.
August takes a totally different path. They focus heavily on phone-based access with this Bluetooth auto unlock feature. And I gotta say, when this works, it is absolute magic. You just walk up and your door magically unlocks right as you reach for the handle. But here's the catch, it can be pretty inconsistent. It relies heavily on your phone's Bluetooth signal and whatever your background app settings are doing. So sometimes you're just left standing there waiting, awkwardly forced to drop your grocery bags and dig out your phone. Schlage, meanwhile, just delivers that mechanical consistency every single time.
And this contrast brings us to another vital everyday factor: battery life. Schlage generally gets you about 4 to 6 months, while August taps out around 3 to 4 months. But pay close attention to this next detail, because it really matters. If your August lock dies completely, remember, you kept your original deadbolt, which means you can just pull out your traditional metal key and get inside, no problem. If your Schlage dies, and you don't happen to have its specific backup key on you right then, you are locked out of your house until you run to the store for some AA batteries, probably while you're still holding those groceries.
But you know what? Even with that battery caveat, round 3 goes to Schlage. Why? Because long-term reliability is just too important. Schlage has a proven 5+ year lifespan in typical use, whereas August's plastic gearing inside can sometimes wear down faster. Bottom line, Schlage just works every single time without all that variability.
All right, round 4, smart home compatibility. Let's see how these devices actually integrate into the smart home ecosystem you probably already have running. Now, both of these locks play very nicely with all the big names: Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Samsung SmartThings. The basics are covered, but the nuances are where they start to split. Schlage brings this next-level feature for Apple users called Apple Home Key. This is super cool. You can literally just tap your iPhone or your Apple Watch right to the lock using NFC, and boom, the door opens. You don't even have to open an app. August, however, boasts much deeper maturity for third-party platforms. Because they've been in the smart game longer, if you're the kind of person running advanced automation platforms like Home Assistant, August has way broader community support.
So, for round 4, we're calling it a tie. The winner here entirely depends on you and your setup. If you live inside Apple's ecosystem, Schlage is practically unbeatable. But if you want maximum third-party flexibility, August definitely edges ahead.
Let's jump to round 5, value for your money.
We really need to analyze the actual financial investment here and the long-term value you're getting. So August locks typically range from about $130 to $200. With August, you are saving a lot of money upfront because you aren't paying for new keys, you're not paying for rekeying services, and you're not buying a massive piece of external hardware. Schlage models, on the other hand, run between $200 and $300. So yeah, you're paying more on day one, but remember, you're getting a complete, dedicated lock system with built-in Wi-Fi. That means there are absolutely no extra hubs you have to go purchase later.
And because of this pricing structure, round 5 is basically a split decision. The value maps directly to your current living situation. August is the clear, undisputed winner for renters or people who move frequently. You can easily take the smart lock with you to the next place without losing your security deposit. But Schlage, that is the definitive winner for homeowners looking for a one-and-done, decade-long investment in their property.
Which brings us to round 6, the final verdict.
We've gone through all 5 rounds, so let's tally this up and make a definitive decision. If we have to name a narrow overall winner for the average user, it's Schlage. The unparalleled build quality and that long-term reliability just cannot be ignored when we're talking about a serious security device. If you own your home and you plan to be there for 5+ years, Schlage is absolutely your lock. However, August remains the undisputed champion for renters, frequent movers, or anyone whose absolute top priority is a dead simple 15-minute installation without having to change the keys they already carry.
So let me leave you with this final thought to help cement your choice. It's 5 years from now. It's 2031. Which of these locks do you trust to still be flawlessly guarding your front door? If you want a brilliant tech gadget that integrates seamlessly with your life today, go with August. But if you want a heavy-duty lock you'll install once and literally forget about for the next decade, go Schlage. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep evaluating, keep